In this video, we are going to learn how we can increase or decrease height and width in row or column. Suppose we want to increase or decrease width in column. Then just take our cursor between two columns. Like in this case, we want to do with D column. Then take our cursor between D and E. Like this. And there we will see two headed arrow sign. We have to just drag to right hand side to increase the width. Like this. Or drag left hand side to decrease the width. Like this. Suppose we want to do Autofit, then in this case go between D and E column. There we will see two headed arrow sign over here. Just do double click like this and the column will be Autofit. Suppose we want to do for multiple column. In this case we are selecting C, D and E like this. After selecting C, D and E column, now take our cursor between any two column. Like in this case we are taking between C and D. Like this. There you will see two headed arrow sign. Just drag right hand side for increasing the width. Like this. Or drag left hand side for decreasing the width. Like this. Like this we can increase or decrease width in column. Now we will learn how we can increase or decrease height in row. The process will be same. First select which row we want to do. Like in this worksheet, suppose we go for 5th row. Then take our cursor between 5th and 6th row. Like this. There we will see two headed arrow sign. Just drag down for increasing height. Like this. And drag up for decreasing height. Like this. Suppose we want to do Autofit. Then in this scenario, take our cursor between 5th and 6th row. Like this. Then we will see two headed arrow sign. Now just do double click. Like this. And the row will be Autofit. Suppose we want to do for multiple row. In this scenario, we are selecting 5th, 6th and 7th row. Like this. Now take our cursor between any two row. Like in this case between 5th and 6th row. Like this. Then we will see two headed arrow sign. Just drag down for increasing height. Like this. Or drag up for decreasing height. Like this. So like this we can increase or decrease height or width for row or column in Excel. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.